So number 3, see in your textbook, Abdul while driving to school compute the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. Average speed B average equals to 20 km per hour given. Now on his return trip along the same road is same, there is a less traffic and so average speed is 30 km per hour. Return trip average speed is 30 km per hour. Okay, what is the average speed of Abdul's trip? टोटल एवरेज जाने का और वापस आने का दोनों की एवरेज कितनी होगी? सो वी सपोज दैट लेट Abdul covers x kilometer from home to school. It means what? From once again for the return trip from school to home, he also covered the same distance on same route, that is x kilometer. Okay. Now average speed from home to school is 20. So time taken for home to school average speed formula total distance upon total time taken. Take time this side, so time from home to school equals to distance upon average speed. We call it T1 from home to school. Distance is, we don't know, x, but average speed is 20, so this much hours. Now time taken for school to home, that is the return trip. Time T2 equals to distance upon average speed of return trip. Distance is same because same route we choose, and the average speed is because of the less traffic speed increases here 30. Time to T2 is x upon 30 hours. Okay. So total we want to find average speed. So average speed is what? Average speed of both to and fro. Average speed for to and fro. V average equals to total distance upon total time. Total distance is from home to school x, school to home also x. Total time from home to school time x upon 20, from school to home time x upon 30. See here x plus x is 2x upon, take LCM, LCM is 60 multiplied here by 3, so 3x multiplied this term by 2, so here 2x, denominator of denominator, it will be numerator, so 2x into 60 upon 3x plus 2x is 5x, x cancel, 2 into 60 divided by 5, 5 12 2 24 km per hour. This is the average speed of to and fro, that is from home to school and school to home. Okay, this is important because here you have to suppose about the distance between home and school. We suppose here is x, जाने का x किलोमीटर, रिटर्न आने का x किलोमीटर, यानी total 2x. Is it okay? Now number 4. Write down this. I am going to rub it. Number 4, a motorboat starting from rest. Okay. Motorboat starting from rest. Rest means steady state. So the motorboat starting from rest means steady. So we write initial velocity of motorboat should be u equals to 0 meter per second. Okay, that we select because the given is motorboat starting from rest. On a lake, accelerate in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square. Accelerate means acceleration 3 meter per second square. Given in your textbook, meter second is to minus 2. Okay, for 8 seconds, time is given for 8 seconds. How far does boat travel during this time? Distance. How much distance the boat will cover during this time? See, want to find S. See the list of formula. Time is given, so use the formula S equals to ut plus half at square. Acceleration is also given. S we want to find, u is 0. 0 into time 8 plus half is 3 and 8 square. 0 into anything 0 plus half into 3 into 8 square 64. 2 32 are. So S equals to 0 plus 32 2s are 96. So S equals to 96 meter because here it is meter. So distance is meter. 96 meter distance covered by the motor boat. Now see question number 5. It is about graph, and this type of graph will not ask in your exam. 6 number graph is already given, so don't do this. Don't worry about it. Now 7 number. Another important. 7 number. A ball is gently dropped. Gently means without applying any external force. Force नहीं लगाने का. Gently dropped. Release the ball. So ball is gently dropped. Now think. A ball is gently dropped. If it is gently dropped, you can write initial velocity is 0. Because initially we hold the ball and then we release it. Okay, that's why we take what? U equals to 0. So ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meter. The height is given 20 meter. So the distance covered by the ball is also 20 meter. From 20 this point to this point, suppose 20 meter. Then ball covers how much distance? 20 meter. So height is called distance. Okay. If its velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square, velocity increases uniformly. That means it is called acceleration. Acceleration means increase in velocity per unit time. Here increase in velocity uniformly, unit time. So this is called what? Acceleration. So acceleration is given A equal to 10 meter per second square. If you don't understand about this in the exam, then see the unit. If unit is meter per second square, then it is always acceleration. Okay? 10 meter. With what velocity will it strike the ground? Initial velocity is 0. Find its final velocity with which it strikes the ground. And After what time will it strike to the ground? You have to find also. You have to find time also. See, we want to find time means time is not given. If time is not given, then you can use the formula 2as equal to v square minus u square. Okay? And after that, you have to find time that after what time will it strike the ground. Okay. See, here acceleration is given, distance is given, u that we have, place the value 2, a is what 10, distance is 20, equals to v want to find, minus u is 0, 0 square 0. Multiplication 2 to the 4 means 400 equal to v square. Square move other side, it will be square root of 400. The positive square root of 400 is 20 meter per second. So this is the velocity with which it strikes. Now time. Once again, we have a, we have v now, we have u also. So you can say acceleration equal to v minus u upon t. Simple formula of acceleration. You can use s equals to ut plus half at square. Then also you will get time. Okay? But here we use the simple formula a equal to v minus u upon t. Acceleration is 10. We found it 20. U is 0. Time we want to find. Take t this side and 10 this side. So t equals to 20 upon 10. 0, 0 cancel. T equal to 2 seconds. So after 2 seconds, it strikes to the ground. Is it okay? With the help of s equals to or s equals to ut plus half at square. Okay? Instead of this, suppose in your mind, suppose this formula strike, then you can also apply. S is what? Distance 20. U is 0. 0 into anything? 0. Plus half. A is what? 10 into t square. 20. 0 plus anything? 2 5s are. This is 5t square. 5 moves down. 20 divided by 5 equals to t square. So 4 equal to t square. So 2 equal to t square root this side square root. So t second. The same answer. Okay, so not to worry about it. Use any formula of time, you will get your answer. Now, 8th number again is a graph, not in your course, so don't worry about it. Now, last 10 number. 10 number, we will provide you notes also, so don't worry about the other questions. In notes, all these things are there. So no need to write actually all this thing, because in notes there is answer is already there about numerical also. See, an artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 km. Last number 10. Radius, circular motion is there of artificial satellite. Radius is 42,250 kilometer. Is it okay? Calculate its speed. Find the speed for circular motion. If its speed, if it takes 24 hours, time is given 24 hours to revolve round the earth. Okay, you have to convert kilometer into meter, convert hour into second. So this is 42250 into 1000 meter, because 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Here it is 1 hour means 3600 seconds. 24 into 36 seconds. What is the speed for circular motion? 2 pi r upon t. See the formula. 2 pi not given, so 22 by 7. Radius 42250 into 1000 divided by time 24 into 3600. Is it okay? You can take pi 3.14 also, because here 7, 22 pi 7, it is a little bit typical because cancellation is not possible. So I should write 3.14 to make it easy. So don't worry about it. It is given during your exam. See, 2 12s are here 314 into 42250 into 1000 divided by 100. Decimal remove, so I place 100. 12, 3600. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cancel. Now 2 157s are 2 6 are. And now after that it is not possible, so you have to multiply it. 4225 4225 multiplied by 157 66325 upon 216 divided 216 approximate 3 648 663 minus 648 not possible. Then 216 7 are subtract not possible. 0 point एक डेसिमल સુધી કરું પછી હવે cancellation 3070 લોચો જ હતો approximately લઉં બરાબર છે મીટર પર સેકન્ડ. So it is called 3.07 kilometer per hour. Second, sorry, not hour. If you want to convert it into hour, then you have to divide it. Right? So this is your answer. Approx answer is there. Check it with the help of calculator. You can check. This is the approx. Okay. This is your last sum. That's it for the motion. That's it for the chapter. We will upload our in material section. We will upload the answers of in-text questions and exercise also. Okay, but in-text illustration of numericals, this is for you homework. You have to write only what numericals given with answer in your textbook. So that's it for today. Stay safe and enjoy.